in the material management, like many people, the higher you go, the more people you have to rest on. And in this way we can see that the structure is like a pyramid. The biggest guy sits on top of everyone else. And everyone else is actually supporting and sustaining the big guy. And the spiritual management is also like a pyramid. But it's in a reverse way. It's upside down. A pyramid upside down. There the top guy, the biggest personality, is sustaining everyone else. And who is the biggest personality? Krishna. So here's the difference. The material management is based on the principle of, whether we like it or not, is based on the principle of exploitation. Whereas spiritual management is based on service, like taking care of others, supporting others. And this is how they're shouldering the responsibility. The higher we go in spiritual structure, the more people we have to take care of. In the material structure, the lowest person is at the bottom, and he is actually holding the whole structure up, and it goes like that. Whereas in spiritual management or spiritual structure, the higher we go, the more responsibilities he is shouldering. So because our spiritual platform is based on the principle of service, and that a leader must become an exemplary devotee. The qualification of a leader in Krishna conscious structure is that he is prepared to take care of others. And the more one takes care, the more responsibility he gets, the more people he has to take care of.